I would like to introduce you to a new Excel spreadsheet that I have created to display results from a standardized test. The example here is with the self. As you can see, we have a box noted for the student name, test dates, examiner name. Over here is your standard scores and your classification. And here we have a list of the subtests included in the self 5 as well as the student standard score and percentile rank. If you scroll down, you will be able to see the description of each of the subtests that were administered. And on page 2, the information from page 1 will automatically transfer onto the graph. So I didn't type any of the numbers in this graph. They automatically come from the data that is inputted into the page 1 standard score box. Same with the information down here, student name, test date, and examiner. All of that comes from page 1 and it is automatically populated. This gives parents and teachers and students a good visual in regards to their test scores and what the average range is. So here you can see all of the test scores were slightly below the average range. And you can see I have the average range noted in this box at the bottom. Provides a good visual for students, parents, and teachers to see standard test results as well as progress that's been made over the years within therapy sessions.